So here's a secret that fearless agent coaching students of mine know that no other agents know, and that is, what do you actually get paid for when you're a real estate professional? What is it that causes the money to happen? Okay, so I want you to write this down. 2, 2, 5, and 2. There's only 2 jobs that you'll ever get paid for in real estate. Everything else we do might be necessary, but you're not getting paid for it. It's an expense. Those 2 jobs are booking appointments and getting signatures. So you only get paid when you get a signature or you book an appointment to go get a signature. Those are the 2 jobs you get paid for. There's only 2 ways to communicate with people to get those 2 jobs to happen. And communicating is not email, it is not texting, it is not Facebooking, it's not TikToking, it's not Instagramming, it's not any of that. It's not mailing, it's not any of that stuff. It is going to be a telephone call that books an appointment, and it's going to be a face-to-face interaction that either books an appointment or gets a signature. There are only 5 conversations that we are going to have with these people. There's a listing presentation, pricing presentation, a for sale by owner presentation for those special folks. There's a buyer presentation, and there's an investor presentation. And that's where you get the signatures. And then there's 2 obstacles that keep people from earning their full worth. One is, what do you say when they say, I got a friend in the business, or I want to use a discount agent, or we tried it before with a realtor and it didn't work, or any of that stuff that we hear. So we'll call that objection handling, I guess. And then finally, none of that stuff, you could be great at all of that stuff, and none of it will matter if you cannot manage your time. So what is it that fearless agents know that everybody else doesn't know? It's that. It's just that. So I'm going to teach you in upcoming videos. You sign up for coaching with me, you're going to learn, you're going to be a rock star at all of that. Give me a call anytime at 480-385-8810 and just say, I'd like to do a complimentary coaching call. So when you call me, I'll probably answer the phone. If I don't, I'll get back to you very quickly. You'll be pleasantly surprised, I'm sure. And on that call, I'm not going to close you at the end. What we're going to find out is if our coaching would be a good fit for you. If it is a good fit for you, you're probably going to get rich. If it's not a good fit, we'll admit that, and you can go coach with somebody else, and we're completely different than all of them, so it wouldn't matter who you pick because they're all the same. So if what we do is a good fit for you, you can't get it anyplace else. So give me a call. Go to fearlessagent.com, watch our free webinar. Go to fearlessagentpodcast.com. Listen to our podcast, subscribe to that. If you're a company owner and you happen to be recruiting fewer producing agents than you wish you were, and you're open to the idea of having some help with that, or if you'd like to have a Fearless Agent event for your company, we do 2-day events, 1-day events, half-day events. We can help you with all of that. So pick up the phone and give me a call, and let's see if we can turn you into a fearless agent. Thanks.